Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Luna 2.0 video update. So yesterday I did talk about Luna 2.0 trying to make a rising wedge, and so far that rising wedge actually drops you down to $4.6. I was looking at another particular pattern that was almost playing out, but it seems like by now that has already been lost. So it goes something like this. I thought this could be a pennant in the making to break to the upside, but it actually broke to the downside, and that actually means only one thing, that the rising wedge I talked about yesterday is in effect. Okay, that one is in effect, but who knows? After that rising wedge actually plays out, we can have another very different looking pattern all of a sudden. So this is all I had. This was the rising wedge that I was talking about. From there to there, made a rising wedge here, pop to the downside, and now you're looking to actually come to where you form the wedge, which is going to be $4.6604. Pretty simple. But the moment this one actually even gets way more confirmations on the 1 hour time frame. So you can see on the 1 hour time frame, what do we have here? We have some sort of a bear flag now. So this bear flag takes you from there to there, and you can see that that bear flag is perfectly going to drop you to the main target, which is actually near that 4.6. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for, at least for now. Who knows, we can actually bottom out here a little bit, make a double bottom from here, and then start to travel up once again. And that's pretty much it for this update. Whatever happens down there, we're going to see in the future. If it makes a double bottom, if it loses the support and wants to continue lower and lower, that's a very different scenario. Let's see if actually on the weekly we do have any support level. Yes, on the weekly there is a support here, and you can see on the weekly right now, all it's trying to do is come back and retest this level here, and you could actually bounce off this area. You see, there are good chances you make double bottom, as I said, and the next target from there to there, we might be looking for a huge move up. Yeah, this can actually happen. That's pretty sweet. So that could be taking the whole a different scenario. It's $16.14. Now this is a weekly time frame. You never know what's going to happen right now. You can actually end up making a cup and handle down like this and then move up. So it depends on how this one behaves. But the weekly, there's a pattern forming up right now. So drop down to 4.6, maybe hold 4.6 and start to move to $16. Something like that can also happen. And that's pretty much it for this Luna update. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.